So yeah, to remove backgrounds, select your image, go to plugins, search for remove background, and there's a bunch of plugins. A lot of them are not free. I found these three ones which are entirely free. All you have to do is just click on, just take them from top to bottom. Duplicate this. So just click on the button, wait a few seconds, and it should just work. These are free. I'll just go through all three of them. I'm not sure which one works best. I guess we'll just figure it out. They're probably all pretty much the same, but well, at least close to. But yeah, anyway, that's how you remove backgrounds. You just click on a button and then just wait. And so this is one. Let's just go ahead and run the icons 8 one. Probably gonna take like 20 years. Yep. As you can see, this. Okay. So realistically, icons 8 is probably better than the first one. Let's just select the third option. No, thank you. Oh, thank you. Remove. Okay. Apply. Wait. Alright, so we have three options, right? I feel like this one, the second one, is probably the best. Let's just change the color to see. Yeah, this one is not cropped properly. Cut the hair, part of the hair. So yeah, I would say the second option, the second tool works best. Yeah. So the second one is called Icons 8, and it's like probably the fastest one too. But as long as they continue to be free, you can just play around with all three of them. Take your time. Maybe some types of images work better than others. So, but in my test we just did right now, Icons 8 background remover worked best. There is no interface. You just click on remove background and just wait a few seconds. So yeah. So anyway, that's how you remove backgrounds in Figma with plugins within seconds. Like, subscribe, whatever, I don't know, I don't care.